In this video, we'll show you how you can fix the problem where the ringer sound volume gets really low on incoming calls on your iPhone. This trick will work for the iPhone 13, iPhone 14, iPhone 15 series, and newer. So if you have a problem where the iPhone's ringtone gets really low and you can't hear it ringing, then follow my steps. For example, if someone calls you on your iPhone and you pick up your phone and it gets really low, or maybe the phone is in your pocket, someone is calling you but you can't hear a thing, then you can fix that by opening the settings on your iPhone, and you want to scroll a little bit down until you can see the Face ID and passcode option. You want to open that section and enter the passcode if they ask you to. Once you're on this page, you want to find this Attention-Aware Features. If this option was enabled for you, then that is probably the cause to your problem. You want to disable this or turn it off completely. And when you do turn this off, your iPhone's ringer volume will be normal again, and you will be able to hear the ringtone when someone is calling you. So disable this Attention-Aware Features button and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.